Good morning. Myself, Reshma Singh from Army Institute of Education, Greater Noida. The topic which we are going to discuss today comes under Course Code 218 and the course title is Creating an Inclusive School. So, the topic is Preparing School for Inclusion. Dear learners, I hope you all are clear with the term inclusive education or inclusion. So, in this topic, we are going to discuss what are the requirements a inclusive school should have, the technological requirements, the pedagogical requirements, and the support services. So, here you can see the dimensions of inclusive school. We have four dimensions. First, infrastructural requirements, technological requirements, pedagogical and attitudinal preparedness, and support services. So, one by one, we will discuss all these dimensions. Let's move to the next slide. Infrastructural requirements. Infrastructural requirements for a school building. Ramps should be there, guide blocks and specific signs for visual impaired students, visual signs for hearing impaired students, broad passage and corridors for physically disabled students, arrangement of furniture to be hassle free, adequate lighting, access to sink and washrooms or restrooms, disabled friendly washrooms. By this, I hope the points are very simple and it's almost clear. Like there should be ramps instead of stairs, there should be ramps. There should be proper signs for visually impaired students, like here the library, here's that, and all. The corridor should be broad. The furniture arrangement should be hassle free. It should be not so tight or something like it's difficult for them to walk around. Washrooms should be accessible and etc. So let's move to the next slide. Technological requirements. I hope you all are clear with the term ICT or technological requirements. Here, all that smart boards or smart classes or computers all are accessible to the disabled children too, or differently abled children too. A special child, you may call nowadays, it's like they are known as special childs. So let's move to the next slide and see what all technological requirements will be required. Technological requirements. ICT for compensation uses, like using ICT tools for compensation different disabilities. Example, reading tools, text to speech converter software. Second, optical character recognition OCR used for converting text to digital format, talking audio books, text files to audio software, etc. Writing tools, organizational software which converts ideas in the form of a concept map into text. On-screen word banks to convert speech to text to perform written tasks. Word prediction, word recognition to convert voice into messages, text, emails, etc. without any mistakes. Portable word processor or note takers for taking notes. So all these are writing tools for special childs. Pen pencil grip for writing, like the assistive devices. You can use that grip in the pencil and you can write it. The writing will be very much nice, clear, and beautiful. Grammar and spelling checker, calculators, taking clocks, voice output measuring devices, magnifiers, screen magnifiers, braille, large print books, recorded lessons, audio or video, hearing aid, signals devices for hearing impaired. ICT for teaching purposes, blended learning classrooms, flipped classrooms, use of internet, OER, presentations, smart boards, all these points are clear. Like by presentations also, you can make the topic very much clear by smart board by creating what is your initiative, like using multimedia and all. So you can make your presentation very much appealing. Used for assessment, online classrooms, forms, discussions, webinars, workshops, etc. Use of tablets for instructional and assessment process. Here's the next dimension: pedagogical and attitudinal preparedness. Developing positive attitudes among teacher and students, values inculcation, universal human values and empathy, sensitization of teachers, students, all administrative and support staff. Training of teacher, development of positive attitude, pedagogical practices. Like there must be a regular workshops for teachers for their improvement, like what all techniques he or she can inculcate in his teaching methodology. Knowledge of various disabilities and other disadvantages groups and other specific requirements, when to consult a specialist, accommodative assessment practices, etc. Flexible curriculum and subject choice, scholarships and other facilities to needy students, children friendly educational materials and their availability, option to choose between academic and vocational subjects, fully equipped resource rooms, diverse range of co-curricular activities to accommodate all students. Like the teacher should be not partial, she should be flexible, or she should be there for each and every child in the school and take care of that child. Now, here is the school's policy, the philosophy of school, aim, goals, and practices. What are the roles and responsibilities of each member of the school for better clarity? Expected behavior from each and every member, like parents, teachers, students. Even the parents must be consult of their ward or of their child. Positive environment for students and teachers, orientation to new students and teachers, maintaining of discipline and classroom practices. Dear learners, I hope the concept of preparedness of inclusive school is clear to you all. Thank you.